Hello students, welcome back to my Trigo video lecture. If you have not watched my previous Trigo lectures, please do so before watching this lecture. My Trigo video lectures will be helpful to all the students, whether it is school, college or any entrance exam. So please share with your friends and relatives and subscribe my channel for latest update. In this video lecture, we are going to learn how to remember trigonometric table. So let's get started. This is your skeleton diagram for trigonometric table. Vertically, if you see, there are 6 trigonometric ratios in which sin theta, cos theta and tan theta are the main trigonometric ratios, while cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta are the reciprocal partners. Horizontally, if you see, there are angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now, first we will try to find out the value of sin theta. We have 5 empty boxes. So to find these values, first we will write down 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Divide all this number by 4. Let us find the square root of these fractions. Square root of 0 upon 4. 0 upon 4 is 0 and square root of 0 is 0. Square root of 1 upon 4 is 1 upon 2. Square root of 2 upon 4. We can cancel 2 1s are 2 2s are. So square root of 1 upon 2 will be 1 upon root 2. Square root of root 3 upon 4 will give me root 3 upon square root of 4 will be giving me 2. Square root of 4 upon 4, here will cancel 4 4 and will get 1. So square root of 1 is 1. So first we will write down 0, half, 1 upon root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Now, you have got the value of sin theta. 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. If you don't want to remember this technique, you can directly memorize these 5 numbers. Start with 0 and ends with 1. In between we have 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 by 2. Next, let us find the value of cos theta. Cos theta is reverse of sin theta. I repeat, cos theta is reverse of sin theta. It means 1 will come here. Root 3 by 2 will come here. 1 upon root 2 will come here. Half will come here. And 0 will come here. Before going ahead, we will first learn some important terms. 0 upon 1. If numerator is 0 and denominator is any number other than 0, then the value will give me 0. Next, 1 upon 0. Numerator is any number, but if denominator, remember, if the denominator is 0, then it will give me not defined. 0 upon 0. Here also denominator is 0. So again we will be getting not defined. And lastly, 1 upon not defined, we will be getting 0. So try to remember this 4 important points. We will require it to fill the table. Now, let's find out the tan theta. Tan theta we know is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So first we will write down tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. For 0 degree, sin is 0 and cos is 1. So we will substitute here 0 upon 1. And 0 upon 1, if you see here, it is giving me 0. So we'll write down here 0. For 30 degree, sin is half and cos is root 3 upon 2. So we'll substitute here half upon root 3 by 2. This and this cancels and we'll be getting 1 upon root 3. So we'll write down here 1 upon root 3. For 45 degree, sin theta is 1 upon root 2 and cos theta is 1 upon root 2. We will substitute here, we will have 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2. Root to root cancels and we get here 1. So we'll write down here 1. For 60 degree, sin theta is root 3 by 2 and cos theta is half. So we take the value root 3 by 2 upon 1 upon 2. So this and this cancels and we get root 3. For 90 degree, sin theta is 1 and cos theta is 0. So we have the value 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0. Here we have not defined. So we can write not defined. Now, we have other 3 trigonometric ratios, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta, which are reciprocal partners. So for cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta, that is 1 upon 0. So 1 upon 0 is going to give me not defined. Sin theta here is half. So take the reciprocal of this. 1 upon 2 will become 2 upon 1. That is, we can write 2. 1 upon root 2 will become root 2. Root 3 upon 2 will become 2 upon root 3. And 1 upon 1 will become 1. Same way, sec theta is a reciprocal partner of cos theta. We can say sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta. So let us take the reciprocal of this. So 1 upon 1 will give me 1. Root 3 upon 2 will give me 2 upon root 3. 1 upon root 2 will give me root 2. 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 0 will give me not defined. Lastly, cot theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal partner for tan theta. It means cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta. That is 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0 is not defined. 1 upon root 3 is root 3. 1 upon 1 is 1. Root 3 give me, and 1 upon not defined is going to give me 0. So this way you can remember the trigonometric table. See you in the next video lecture where we will have new tricks with new trigonometric formulae. Thank you for watching my video.